Hello, this is Kylie Larson with Yoga Download, and today I'm going to be breaking down Chaturanga. So, Chaturanga is a very complicated pose, and if you're practicing a Vinyasa practice, chances are you're doing it over and over and over again in your class. So, we want to make sure that you're doing it the right way so that you don't end up injuring your body. So, Chaturanga Dandasana, also known as four-limb staff pose, it is a yoga push-up. So let's start by coming into a plank position. So in our plank, our shoulders are underneath our wrists, and our bodies are strong and straight behind us. So right off the bat, we have all this power. Hands are pushing down. Now, roll forward on your toes just a little bit so that your shoulders move in front of the fingertips. And then keep the elbows in nice and tight as you look forward and lower halfway down. So if your elbows go out, you can't hold the pose. There's absolutely no way. So you got to keep hugging the elbows in and keep your eyes looking forward, because if your head goes down, then your body gets heavy. Again, impossible to hold. So eyes forward, elbows in, lower halfway down and pause. Keep your legs active. If your legs aren't active, your chest is going to dip down. Keep the core active. If the core is not active, the hips are going to dip down. So everything is going to work in that chaturanga. So from plank, once again, eyes forward, neck long, hands pushing down, core is engaged, legs are engaged, heels are pressing back. Don't forget about the heels. Roll forward on the toes, and then lower halfway down. As you're lowering down, think heart forward, elbows back. Then press right back up into your plank. So, everything is working. Your eyes are looking forward. Your chest is pulling forward. Equal and opposite energy is shooting back. So the elbows shoot back and the heels shoot back. Modifications. Because it does take some strength. It's not just upper body strength, but it does take some strength in the body. If we're not quite there yet, if we're still working on the strength aspect of the pose, modify by taking your knees down. So from your plank, everything's going to stay the same except you set your knees down, lower halfway down till those shoulders meet the elbows, and then push yourself right back up. If you're having any wrist issues, that's a thing that we hear a lot of us yoga teachers. First and foremost, make sure you're pushing down through the forward part of the hand, the front part of the hand, the fingertip pads, and the knuckles. Don't let the weight sink into the wrist. If that still isn't helping you, you can make fists. So you can make fists with your hands, place that flat part of your finger down onto the ground. Everything will stay the same, eyes forward, core strong, legs engaged, lower halfway till your shoulders meet your elbows, elbows shoot back, heels reach back, and then press yourself back up. So again, hopefully that's just a temporary thing until your wrists heal back up or get stronger, whatever they need to do, so you can do it with flat hands. So with all of those keys, hopefully you should be able to flow freely into and out of your chaturanga. Let's do it one more time. So from plank, set the gaze forward, push the earth away from you so your body feels light and lifted. Keep the gaze forward, lower halfway down till your shoulders meet the elbows. Keep the elbows in tight, collarbones spread, heels shooting back, elbows shooting back, and then press right back up. Enjoy the rest of your chaturangas.